In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of what happens during the cabinet installation process. The first thing that happens is layout. As you can see, I'm going around trying to find the high spot on the floor, marking out the studs, and essentially transferring the design drawings to the walls. From there, we accept delivery and start to debox and gut the cabinets. You'll notice that as we go, we take the doors and drawers off, we take all the shelves off. This does a few things. Number one, it prevents incidental damage while the cabinets are being installed, but it also makes them lighter and easier to work with. We gang build the cabinets, so we put them together in sections so that they can be mounted to the wall together and allow for any adjustments to be done on a hard flat surface like the floor. From there we continue. Typically the wall cabinets are mounted first, followed by the base cabinets. The order of installation is determined by the most non-negotiable point in the design. In this case here, there are two non-negotiable points. One is the range that should be centered on the back wall. The other is the sink that is centered under the window. So those are located and installed first, and then all the other cabinets are adjusted to that using fillers in the corners. Fillers are a very discreet way to allow for adjustment during the installation. From there, we install the tall cabinets and kind of button up the installation to get ready for countertop template. Notice there are no doors and drawers. That is the next step. It didn't get recorded, but you can see that all the doors got put back on. The countertop was templated, then the countertop gets installed. Notice there's still no hardware on here. We just have pieces of tape so that the doors and drawers can get opened. That is typically the last thing that happens is, the installer goes through, does touch up, installs the hardware, makes any last final adjustments to the kitchen after the countertops are installed, because as you can see, those countertop installers did have to remove a couple drawers as part of it. Then from there, it just kind of gets buttoned up, the hardware goes on, everything gets cleaned up, and that's pretty much it. You have a nice, beautiful kitchen. One thing that we do really well here at CFM is our designers support the installers throughout the installation process, letting them know where those non-negotiable installation points are and answering any other questions along the way. Thanks for watching.